Hey guys and gals, sweet project shoes. I mean cars. Sorry about that. We are going to be going over a whole bunch of cool tricks and tips and hacks for everyone. Okay? How do you become mechanically inclined? By doing all kinds of stuff. We're going to show you over the next year how to become mechanically inclined. We're going to remove this tag. I happened to buy a pair of new shoes and they left the tag on. I bought them online and they wanted me to go to the nearest store, where I bought them. There isn't one except in Katy, Texas, and I live in Michigan. Let's remove this thing. This will work on almost every theft or security tag on clothing and or on shoes. There's two ways to do it. We know our limitations, so the first thing we do is put the shoe in a Ziploc bag. We take our X-Acto knife and we cut a little slit right here. And we slide the tag through. See how that went around there just nicely? Now, if anything goes crazy, we're still protected. Usually, 99.9999% it doesn't, but you can get one of these that are faulty and run into problems. Now, what we do is we take our little propane torch, side cutters, and you would heat those up. And when you do that, heating them up, you would then cut the tip right off that. It will melt right through it. We're not going to do that process. What we're going to use is our Dremel. Everybody should have one of these. It's the most useful tool in the entire world. Julio, tell everybody where they can get these tools.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez. We're going to cover the rest of the shoe up so we don't get pieces and parts and junk in it with a microfiber towel. I know this is off the wall for a car channel, but we're going to show you how to become mechanically inclined over the next year. Now I want to poke that down in behind there, get that plastic right underneath the tag, just like that. Make sure it's covering it all the way around. Then all you do is take your Dremel. We like to put it on about maybe 15. Watch and be amazed. Now you can take your X-Acto knife, pull the spring out, then there's a little metal ring in there. It's like doing surgery. Look at that. Well, let's see what it looks like inside. I know you're all wondering. Nothing but a sensor. There was no ink in it or anything like that. They had everybody fooled. Look at all that copper wire.